svart.
Ja, ja. Ja, ja.
I was saying that getting 4 people, 4 adults, on this boat across the other side in the middle, it was hilarious. We were asking ourselves what on earth we were doing in life. Eventually we got there though. And this has been quite a hard swim because there's been a strong current pushing down. But this is a great kayak, eh? It's a very, very good platform for doing swims. Sakari! Youngest person ever! 14 years old! Well done!
Hyvä Sakki. Bra.
There's some stairs here, Sakari. Climb up the stairs here, Sakari. Well done, Sakari.
Hyvä Sakari. Varo, nouse varovasti, että kaadu.
Youngest person ever, 14. It's a fantastic day.
Yes, but what is his name?
Sakari.
What do you want to say to this camera now?
Are
you tired?
Yes, very.
Yeah, it's a long way, eh?
Yeah, this is one big victory to me.
Yeah. And it was, which was the hardest part?
The end.
Yeah. Takes a long time to come, doesn't it?
Yeah. It feels that you should definitely move.
Yeah. Anyway,
Thanks, Mom.
well done. Well done.
Thanks, Mom.
Well done. And this is his father here, Petri.
Yes.
Also from Finland.
Also victory for him, eh?
Hello.
Can you say something about the kayak?
It was nice. How many kilos were we actually? 4 adults.
Okay, let's all be honest with each other now. How heavy are you?
93.
93 as well.
Yes.
And you?
65.
No idea. 65. Right, so you add it up. Add it up. Are you good at maths?
9, 18, 24.
How much are you?
75.
75.
So that's about 310 kilos.
310.
And what was the limit? 260.
We have broken the record.
Yes, 260 of it.
Yes.
260. Yeah.
How about,
So did you swim all the way?
No, I just swam at the end.
Uh-huh.
Give some support.
Uh-huh.
But he did it all the way, no problem, no complaining. Really fantastic. I'm so proud, I want to cry.
We had to throw her away from the canoe in the end. It was too heavy. And we made the decision that women